Nestled along the scenic Aegean coastline of Turkey, Izmir stands as a vibrant and captivating hub of culture, history, and modernity, offering an array of captivating activities and tourist attractions that cater to a diverse range of interests. This city, known for its effervescent atmosphere and welcoming locals, holds a tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. At the heart of Izmir lies its bustling waterfront promenade, the Cordon, where locals and tourists alike converge to soak in stunning sunsets, take leisurely strolls, or enjoy lively chats at charming cafes. The city's historical significance shines through the ancient Agora of Smyrna, an archaeological site steeped in Hellenistic and Roman history. The towering clock tower, a symbol of Izmir, stands proud amidst the bustling Konak Square, offering a glimpse into the city's past. Culture aficionados will find solace in the Archaeological Museum of Izmir, where an extensive collection of artifacts, including those from ancient Troy and Ephesus, unveil the region's rich heritage. The nearby Ethnography Museum delves into the customs and traditions of Izmir's diverse communities, providing an immersive insight into its multicultural essence. For those seeking an escape to nature, Izmir does not disappoint. The pristine beaches of Sezim, with their azure waters and golden sands, provide a serene sanctuary for relaxation and water sports. The picturesque Karaburun Peninsula beckons with its untouched beauty, offering hiking trails that reveal panoramic views of the Aegean Sea. Ephesus, an ancient city just a short drive from Izmir, is an archaeological marvel that transports visitors back in time to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. The Library of Celsus and the Great Theatre stand as testaments to Ephesus' historical significance and architectural prowess. Izmir's vibrant culinary scene reflects the city's diverse cultural makeup. The Kemeraltı Bazaar is a treasure trove of flavors, with its aromatic spices, fresh produce, and Turkish delight stalls. The Cordon's seafood restaurants serve delectable catches of the day, while the bustling Alsancak district hosts a fusion of traditional and contemporary eateries catering to every palate. Festivals and events form an integral part of Izmir's allure. The International Izmir Festival, an annual celebration of classical music and performing arts, draws international talents and art enthusiasts. The Izmir International Fair, one of Turkey's oldest, brings together a diverse range of industries, offering a glimpse into the nation's economic landscape. In conclusion, Izmir's allure lies in its ability to seamlessly blend its rich history with its modern energy, resulting in a destination that offers something for everyone. Whether you're delving into its ancient past, relishing its culinary delights, basking in its natural beauty, or engaging with its lively cultural scene, Izmir promises an enriching experience that lingers in the heart and mind long after your visit.